Okay, hello, my name is Clara Calderon, and today I go to explain some sounds of the English. Okay, one of the most important tools for learning to speak English is the International Phonetic Alphabet. This alphabet contains many symbols and each of them represents a sound. IA is a large sequence. For example, these words are three different pronunciations. For example, dread, beat, and read. It's a long vowel. It's a read. Okay, for example, it's a I. And aqui is a this is a I. In the case of the F, for example, laugh. On the other is phobia and feel. Next, I go to say someone's fruit pronunciation. Okay, in this, I remember say if you know the symbol of the international alphabet, you can save the word of the correct form. Okay, this orange, apple, mango, kiwi, pineapple, and strawberry. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.